Today I'm going to show you how to make money with travel payouts in 2026, even if you are starting from zero and have no audience. This is a step-by-step affiliate marketing guide focused on the travel niche, and it can help you build a real USD income stream online. We are talking about one of the most popular travel affiliate platforms called Travelpayouts, which connects you to hundreds of travel brands in one place. If you don't know what Travelpayouts is, it is basically an affiliate network that allows you to promote flights, hotels, car rentals, and travel experiences. The best part is that you don't need to contact each company individually because everything is already integrated into one dashboard. Once you join, you can promote brands like Booking.com, Agoda, Trip.com, GetYourGuide, and Viator instantly. Now let's break down how you actually make money with it step by step. Step 1 is choosing your traffic source, and this is where most beginners fail. You can use SEO websites, YouTube videos, TikTok short videos, or Pinterest traffic to attract travel-related users. Step 2 is content creation, and this is the most important part of the entire system. You need to create content that solves travel problems like cheap flights, best hotels, or travel guides for specific cities. For example, how to find cheap flights in 2026 or best budget hotels in Tokyo are high converting topics. Step 3 is inserting affiliate links from Travelpayouts into your content naturally. You can also use widgets, search tools, or link converters provided by the platform to increase conversions. I've placed the registration link in the video description and the pinned comment. Click the link to start your journey. Step 4 is optimization, where you improve your content based on clicks and conversions over time. The goal is not just traffic, but targeted traffic that is actually planning to travel. Step 5 is scaling, which means expanding to multiple articles, videos, or even multiple websites. Once you understand this system, you can build a long-term, passive income stream. This is not a get-rich-quick method, but a real affiliate marketing business model that works in 2026. If you stay consistent, you can turn travel content into a stable USD income source.